You're picking flowers. Let me give you a hand. Look how nice! You need any more help? Bear! Bear, please stop! Do you really want to throw them all away? Those two? Oh, Bunny! Bunny, wait! I'm asking you to wait! That's great! You look very nice. Right, girls? Very nice. I think we need more dandelions. Hey there! You don't want any more flowers, do you? Uh-huh. All yours. There! Look at what we made with all the beautiful flowers. blue. Now watch this. Hocus pocus, ooh la la. Hocus pocus, ooh la la. Now blow. So, Bear, do you like it? That's what I'm talking about. So beautiful. Feed my baby so my baby will grow big. Aw, you're my pretty little baby. Is my baby's belly feeling full? Did my teeny tiny one grow up a little bit? We are going to double check it now. Bear! Let's check if baby grew up. Bear! Bear? Bear! Where are you when I need you? Bear! Oops. But I don't know if my baby grew up. Baby grew, baby grew, baby grew, baby grew, baby grew, baby grew, baby grew. Bear! Oops. We forgot to check if I grew up. Does this mean that I didn't grow at all? So that's how it looks. The growing potion. Oops. mistake. You are mean, and I do not like you. Go on! You get out of here! What about me? I need help too. How did you get to be so big? What is happening to me? Oh, great. I do not like being a grown-up. Tell me, did I go back down? And we're going to double check it now. Yep, it's great to be small again. So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the